making eggs for breakfast. I just put garlic powder and black pepper, freshly ground black pepper, and not this one. Ito pala. Yan. Basil with my sunny side up egg. Sa akin naman is this, and then I'm gonna put garlic powder, pepper, black pepper, and then what's this? Paprika, cayenne pepper, and basil. Ayan, yan sa akin. So, let's just put generous amount of garlic because garlic is delicious. So, ayan. And then, paprika. Paprika. Oh, it's not coming out. Let's shake it first. Konti lang. Paprika. And then this one, cayenne pepper. Gonna be spicy. After nito, purigit. Ayaw lumabas. Yan na yung tsura ng aking sunny side up. So, our lunch. Grabe yun, Sunny. Lami kay marag. Parang simple lang na tomato sauce na ano. This is not spaghetti, but basta yung sa ano, frozen na pasta nila. And Rookie made this one. It looks delicious. Parang yung ano, yung we got this idea from my friend na Indonesian kasi yung ano, misidap nung nagpunta ako sa apartment nila. 'Di ba pag tayong Pilipino, ano lang instant, pag sinabing instant lang talaga, we cook it sa ano, sa boiling water tapos we add the seasoning. Pero pag yung mga Indonesian yung gumagawa, niluluto nila yung noodle and then they saute and they add egg or mga whatnot, mga yan, onions and stuff. Yung mga ganyan yung ina-add ng mga Indonesians. So, I'm excited.
Black pepper and garlic.
Yeah, they just don't do it like the way yung mga Pilipino ginagawa yung instant na noodle. So, itadakimasu. I'm gonna try Rookie's pancit canton.
It's not pancit canton.
Oh, basta. Oy, pancit a la Rookie. Masarap ba to? Sabi ka pong tangan mo sesame oil?
Yeah.
So, masarap talaga yung foodie. Especially yung mga ganyan, yung pag may guys, sesame oil. Dapat lagyan nyo ng sesame oil. No?
Ang gigamit ako sa kuan olive oil ng pagsasakuan.
Hang lagi, hang na the version na.
Oh, version.
Yung pala, spicy na ano. So, good job, Rookie. Oh, what's up, everybody? Today is another day
Like that, pag live
of our life here in Nihon. Nihon.
Live
No, I don't want to go live today. Yeah. Today is Saturday, by the way, and it's so hot. It's like mga 28 degrees Celsius. Gulo-gulo yung temperature sa Japan ngayon, guys. Kahapon medyo malamig and now it's kind of hot. Yeah, but ayun. So, have you noticed my hair? Yeah. Today, I just braided this last night. Ito talaga yung hair ko everyday, guys. Uy! Look at there. Hinawan. Ano yung hinawan?
Anong hinawan?
Hinawan nila yung wala, tinanggal nila yung mga bushes there. Bakit kaya yung malapit sa river, tinanggal nila yung mga bushes. Hindi ko alam, pero ayun. Let's go back to my hair. So this is really my hair every day when I go to work because I'm lazy. I always take a shower at night kasi I don't want to rush in the morning, you know. And then malamig, I always get a headache if basa yung aking hair tapos lumalabas ako. So dati binoblow dry ko siya, but it takes a lot of time and I just wanted to chill and relax in the morning. So ayun, yun nga. So I shower at night and then I braid it. So eto yung itsura niya, di ba? Lang. And then I sprayed hairspray. Wow, ang ganda ng mga doon, flowers on the side of the road. So yellow.
Ganda ng
Yeah. Pagbalik namin, ipapakita ko sa inyo. So we are going, so yun nga, ito pala yung hair natin, no? So we are going to Kesude. Kasi palpak pa rin yung movie namin. Nakakainis si Chromecast, no? I just wanted to talk about Chromecast a little. It's not user friendly as we thought or as everybody thought.
Think
About it. Kasi before we got the Chromecast, akala ko it's just like plug and play. Kahit
Me too.
yeah, it's just like yung sa iPhone, yung wire na i-connect mo sa TV mo, yung sa Apple, but on Chromecast it's a whole lot of story. Yun nga, whole lot different blah blah blah. Basta totally different kind of story na sa Chromecast kasi you need sa kanya Wi-Fi in order for it to work. Kasi pag wala kang Wi-Fi, you need a Wi-Fi that has internet connection. Kasi if you have a Wi-Fi, of course, may Wi-Fi ka naman tapos wala namang lamang internet, so wala, hindi yun pwede, no? Tumawa siya, no? Bakit, no? So ayun. So pag slow yung connection niya sa internet, kasi piniplay ko siya sa computer, sa phone, tapos maandar naman yung HD na movie, but when I try to cast it, hindi na siya, circle lang siya, yun, ganyan lang siya. So it's such an annoying, kasi it's been like since Golden Week pa kami, since hindi na nag-work yung HDMI namin papuntang so starting that day, we are in a search talaga to how ang dami na naming nabili actually, guys. Diba? Oh no, basta pero yun lang naman yung namin kasi ni Rookie, wala naman kaming ibang bisyo. We just wanted to we not just wanted, we love to watch movies and yun. So it's such a bugger na hindi siya ma-connect peacefully sa aming projector kasi nga namimili yung cast na ipoproject niya. Diyos ko Lord. So if you're planning to buy Chromecast, better research a lot kung gusto nyo ba talaga yung Chromecast, kasi ako personally, I really don't like the way how Google Chromecast works. The same with mga Amazon Fire Stick, yung mga ganyan. All of them are more on talaga, it's all about the money talaga, yung you need to buy Netflix, ganyan, you need to buy or rent videos or movies sa YouTube. It's more business talaga sa kanila. So marketing is kinda shady for me. It's a 5-minute rant about Chromecast na. So ako personally, guys, if you ask me, I personally don't recommend Chromecast kasi nga it's annoying, diba? It's annoying really. So yun lang, share ko lang. So I'm just gonna chill here while waiting for Rookie kasi nandoon na naman siya. So nandito na kami sa loob ng KS. Ang init sa labas as expected, and yeah, as expected. So I have my mask on for safety. Ayan. But ayoko na sanang mag-mask, guys, kasi ang init-init na to wear mask and makati siya sa mukha. And yun, you need to select mask na hindi makati sa mukha. May mga mask kasi na parang siya, 5 euros tapos makati, and then nag-create siya ng mga itching sa akin face. So, but there's nothing I can do. We need to wear mask kasi hindi pa tapos yung battle natin sa COVID. So, eto lang yung aking get up kasi mainit na mainit. Gusto ko sanang mag-chanelas but I'm gonna tell you a secret. Hindi ako nakapagupit ng aking toenails. Hindi ako pwedeng magsandal kasi it looks so gross. Ayun. So, eto lang yung aking, ganyan lang. We're back to this kind of get up kasi mainit na nga. And I did not even change my sports bra. Tinamad na ako, guys. So, ayun. I think Rookie is here. So, see you later. Guys, magsising along kami. Okay, let's go. I'm going under, and this time I fear there's no one to save me. It's all or nothing, really got a way of driving me crazy. How the day bleeds into nightfall, and you're not here to get me through it all. It's been a long time since I'm here at Valor, Mikia, kasi I don't know why we don't come here often anymore. We used to come here often, but yeah, when we got back, I don't know why. Shiburi, coming here to Mikia kasi pupunta kami ng Seriana kasi maghahanap kami ng jumping rope. Ano mo? Hindi, asa. Tsaka matin. So, wow, it's nice to be back here sa Mikia. It feels so good. Malamig. The other. Jumping rope. Sana may jumping rope sila, no? Pag wala, saan tayo pupunta?
Sa jumping rope.
Buaw. Ikaw you promised me a jumping rope.
Yes.
Yes. Ala. Look. Oh. We're here. Oh.
Puma rin ako, no?
Yan.
No?
So now, ay, ata! Yeah, meron sila. Kanilang guro ako Kasi ito, looks like pang-batang pang-bata, but it's so like, meron din ganito. How many? 4 meters? 2.7. Ano man? Dapat 4 meters? Or 2.7? I don't know which to decide. Kasi nung nagpunta kami sa Daiso, wala, diba? Pinakita ko, guys. Pero, yay! Yay! I'm gonna get one. I don't know which one. This is like 2.7 meter. Pero, ito is 4 millimeter. Unaji. Unaji pala. Millimeter tapos meter. So, ito na lang. Or the red or blue. Or the black and white. Which one? This one looks so pang bata. Double under master. Whoa. But my favorite color is green. Oh, there's Rookie. Iba din yung itsura dito, guys, sa Syria. Ayan. I miss coming here. Wow. All the organizing containers. Wow. I am at the notebook section and look how cute the notebooks. If you know me, I am such a sucker on cute notebooks. If you watch my Daiso haul, I really love this one. Is so cute and dami, and oh my god, I wanted to buy one. Meron pa dito. Ayan, may kitty cat na notebook. Ayan. And also here, oh my god, I wanted to buy a notebook, guys, kasi ang cute ng mga design. Ayan, oh my god, I need a notebook. Ang daming cute. Meron pa dito. Ayan, oh, super cute. Oh, surprised to see may mga maliliit na tapioca pala dito sa Syria. Pero hindi na ako naghahanap kasi hindi na ako gumagawa ng binignit. Pero FYI, pag gusto niyo ng tapioca, meron sa Syria. You know, yung maliliit. Hello, minasama. So, it is already 6 p.m. and me and Rocky decided to come here sa may river kasi ang ganda ng hangin, tapos hindi na siya mainit, tapos magsistroll lang kami before the sunset. Ayan yung sun, nandyan pa siya yung sun. It's almost gonna set. It is 6:25 p.m. in the afternoon, di ba?
Yeah.
And most of the people here came to jog, to walk. Halo guys, but me, I came here to, guess what? Today I brought some snacks with me because we wanted to eat, we wanted to chill. Murag daghan magtao dai. I don't like daghan tao, maigo na ta sa pula dito guro ta guys.
Na-reach dito.
Wala sad. Where are we? Mulingkod lang ta sa saog. Sige, we'll just sit down sa sa grass kasi na dito. Okay, fine. May nagba-volleyball doon. Ayan, oh. So it's really beautiful. Ang ganda ng simoy ng hangin. It's still chilly in the afternoon. Kaya perfect. Super perfect. So beautiful, but we still need to wear mask. But I don't want to wear a mask. So here's the surrounding. Doon yung parking. So beautiful. And then the sun is almost setting. Ayan. Diba? Ang ganda. Then there's the river over there. I don't know if you can hear the sound of the river. But it's so calm and pretty here. So nice coming here during the afternoon. I don't know if makikita natin yung river. Let's see. If what? Oh, fishing. Yeah, if you want fishing on the other side. Pero I don't think you can see it because it's like against the light. Oh yeah, it's so basa feeling here. Yeah, there's the river. I don't know if you can see, but there's the river there. If you wanna fish, you go the other side. Yeah, so pretty, guys. There's Rookie. So it is almost 7. It's like dito. Almost 7. It is yeah, it's almost 7 at pero maliwanag pa rin. Yeah, it's still pretty. Pero uuwi na kami kasi medyo malamig na siya. Hindi ako nakadala ng jacket and tumatayo na ang aking bad. Yung aking, you know. Ayan, so we are just gonna head home and try to attempt to watch a movie. So, yeah. I remove my mask kasi wala namang masyadong tao dito, no? Umuwi na yung iba. Tapos may natira na lang dyan. Tapos may natira din doon yung mga nagba-volleyball. Ayan, so it is such a wonderful day today. Sana sa forecast ano siya? Anong tawag niyan? Supposed to be cloudy pero huy! Abunay di kinay ka. You do it like this. Oh ha! Naiwan si Rookie. Oh, na-slide siya. Ako hindi. So, see you later mga friendships! Hey friends! So, we are home. And I'm going to try this AR emoji from my Android phone. So, if I look here, do I look at the camera or I look here? Where do I look? Hi Rookie! Oh, I cannot do this on my hair. This looks so weird. Oh my god, it moves together. Ay! Nawala. So, this is weird. Like, really weird. Fake na fake yung smile. Smile! Plastic smile. The weird yung smile. Parang walang expression sa eyes. Guys, it's so weird. But I have the same earrings as my AR emoji. Pretty quiet ang Clash of Clans. Rusay. So, now I'm gonna show you what I got from Seria. It's a 100 yen store, by the way. So now, I will be sharing to you what I got from Seria. Yeah, Seria. 100 yen store. So first is this one. Yeah, this paper hat. Peppa hat round. Round paper hat. So, yeah. Made in China, obviously. So, ito guys is the same as my AR avatar, diba? Magkaparehas yung paint. And then also, if I'm going to like, if you notice, pati yung aking earrings is the same din. O, diba? Yun pala yung inspiration ko, yung aking avatar. So, I'm ready for the summer. Paano ba to? Ganyan. Ganyan ba to? Diba? For the summer time para hindi na-expose yung aking eyes from the sun. So, ayan. Well, and the next is, let's pass that way. Next is yung ito. Then, I think parehas ito kayo. Kasi, naghanap ko ng medyo malaki para magkasya yung baon ko. And then, ito lang yung kasi iba, kasi hanap ko yung may lock. Tapos ito may snap. Tapos yung iba kasi na malaki, wala siyang lock. Tapos yung iba na parang may, may zipper. Parang masyadong maliit yung kanya dito. Yan. So, tuwing kami nilutang kasi parang ganito rin sa kanya. And then, the next one is, oh, I got this jumping rope. So, I decided to get the black one kasi meron di ba may, blue tsaka red. Tapos sa likod may black pala. So, gusto ko yung black. This is the grip fitting. Oh, no. No, may green pala nito. Oh, pero yung nandoon is blue, black, blue, and red. Okay. I just use this one, the jumping rope. And then I also got this kind of socks. Kasi yung ano, if nakita niyo yung white shoes ko, yung parang girl shoes na socks. Pero medyo malaki lang siya dito kasi wala na akong girl shoes. So, yung sa girl shoes yung nalito, pero. And then, manipis siya. Kasi di ba mainit na so, manipis something na manipis. Kasi pangit siya isuot pag walang socks. Parang iwi. Yeah, it feels iwi. Pag walang socks. So, ayun. And then I also got another socks, 2 pairs of socks. Na cute, pink, tsaka blue. Para sa ano? For work. This is 100 din. So, yeah, mura na. Tapos meron siyang unicorn na ganyan. Pati din ito. So pretty and cute. Diba, bongga? 100 yen. And then, I also got, of course, eyelashes. Kasi parang naghihingal ng aking yung favorite na eyelashes na I use like a million times since Mickey Mouse na na eyelashes. Tapos sa Shimamura ko yung nabili din. But I checked out Shimamura. Wala silang eyelashes na binibenta. Tapos ito yung medyo similar but not similar. Pero mas slightly similar. Meron din ako ganito before. Yung parang pink pa yung packaging nila. Tapos, yeah. Yeah, okay. Basta, ito, eyelashes. Close up. And then I also got this one. Hinanap ko yung yung silicone na ko yung ginagamit ko. Nagwawash ako ng face pero parang wala nang ganun. Kasi, yeah, gusto ko yun. Kasi ano siya, what's that? Parang, tawag ka na, nakalimutan ko, gentle, mas gentle siya compared sa brushes kasi every time I use yung cleansing na brush, na-irritate talaga yung skin ko no matter how cheap or mahal yung brush kasi before I also bought yung facial na brush sa mahal tapos na-irritate talaga yung aking face. So I'm excited to try this one. Parang ano siya, if you watch Louis Morelo, yung na yung parang ganito na pero parang mas malaki yun, slight I guess kasi yun yung ginagamit na with just wetting I guess, walang soap or whatnot, walang soap ganyan basta just this one tapos na-remove na ang kanyang makeup. Pero this one yung face washing off. Hindi ko lang sure kung kailangan pa to ng soap or not just like yung sa kay Louis Morelo pero this one is made of China. So obviously, pero sana hindi ma-irritate ang aking face nito. This is facial to. If okay na yung mga facial microfiber sa akin, but if ano lang, I need to be gentle kasi minsan pag if I rub too much, parang mahapi na din siya. But I don't know if kailangan to ng soap. I cannot wait. Yeah. Microfiber, make. Parang kay Chloe Morelo kasi make daw. Yung excited, grabe ako yun lang. Tapos kay Chloe Morelo, magkano yun? Wow, 6 minutes na ako nagdadaldal. Listen na natin. Hindi ako sa baby powder. Kasi, I think I need baby powder. Tapos 100 yen lang to. Pero mura lang naman yung Johnson's baby powder. Pero since nandoon ako sa Seria, tapos yeah, I grab mine at least kasi magkasing laki lang din sila ng Johnson. And obviously, this is my range, China. Baby powder. Sana okay lang to. And then, may nakita din ako guys, dito, may gum na pala sa sa Seria. Before wala talagang mga lotion available sa mga hardware store. But now, marami na sila. And this one is from Indonesia. I guess, Indo kasi or India ba to? Indo lang kasi, India or ano ba to. Pero, dalawa pa lang kasi meron yung pink, tsaka blue or white ba to? Blue. Pink yung nandito, tapos blue. Tapos ito yung pinili ko na mini rookie kasi wala siyang amoy kasi yung pink may parang baby powder center at wala amoy. Excited to try. Let's try opening the baby powder ko. Maganda yung amoy naman. It's like naman ba? Tawag yung Johnson lang. Excited. Let's try this. Wala. May off na dala guys pero parang cheap. I think the smell is kind of off. Ew. It smells ewy. It smells weird. But it's okay. But it smells so weird. Parang yung, I don't know, it's weird. It doesn't smell like baby powder pero okay naman. Meron naman yung scent niya pero it doesn't smell like baby powder. Parang siyang yung lotion dito. Yung lotion parang toner dito na smell. Pero okay lang. Okay lang din. Mawawala naman. Hindi naman nag-linger yung smell niya. So, I need to rip this off. Yan. Kasi hindi ko siya close. But, anyway. Mahirap isarado. It's weird. And then let's try opening this one. Kung merong scent pala. Din pala. Kung merong scent ba talaga. Wow, this is just like yung Nivea na. Nivea pala yun. Yung nasa ano. Nalala ko, ano talaga yung love. Pero the same sa sa store. It's not completely unscented. Pero pag binuksan mo na siya, smell mo na yung scent niya. Pero, oh my god. It's not overpowering naman. Nivea. Bakit ano sa isip-isip ko, parehas ng lotion ko. Pero Nivea pala yung lotion ko. Hindi pala daw. Oh my god. It smells okay, but it's sticky. But I think okay na to. Kasi wala na kasi naman ko. Bakit walang, sana hindi ako mangangatin nyo. Hindi ako mangangatin nito kasi I am picky with my lotion. Kasi pag hindi ko like, nangangatin ako. Yeah, okay siya. Medyo may kaupihan ng aking skin. Ayan, so it feels sticky. Siguro kasi hindi naman ako naligo. Oh my god, this is getting long for it's 10 minutes. I need to cut this off guys. So, babu. So, mga friendship, I think we've reached the end of the night here. Mag-good night na ako guys. Medyo mahaba na tong video na to kasi yung haul natin naging ang dami kong sinasabi, naging 10 minutes. So, yeah, I need to say goodnight now. Yeah. And I hope you have a wonderful day and a great day as always. Stay safe. Be cautious still. I don't know if natapos na ba yung quarantine or whatnot. But dito, nilift na yung yung state of emergency in some places. And also, by the way, guys, I forgot to mention that we already received our subsidiary from the government. So last time I shared to you that we applied nag fill up kami ng form, and like after 2 weeks or less than 2 weeks, we already receive the money. Yeah, we receive like yung hagaki, hagaki is it Tagalog? Postcard from the City Hall na dumating niya yung pera last Friday. So, today is Saturday, so kahapon siya dumating. Ayan. So, we checked sa aming bank. Ayun nga, dumating na talaga siya. So, we are so thankful from the Japanese government for lending a hand to all its residents here in Japan. Thank you so much, Prime Minister Abe. Mr. Abi-san. Ano ba ang weird? Prime Minister Abe. Yan. So, I'm just really grateful and thankful for that. Thank you so much for the Japanese government. Yeah. Yeah, I think that's it for today. Yeah. I need to say goodnight now. And always remember to be nice, be kind, and keep that smile. And hopefully, I will see you all on our next video. Good night. Uyasumi.